Okay.
The battlefield is changing. No longer is it just about soldiers and tanks. A new kind of warrior is emerging, one made of metal and powered by artificial intelligence. This is the rise of the robotic military, a revolution in warfare that is transforming how battles are fought and won. This story begins not on some science fiction movie set, but in the research labs and testing grounds of the United States military. As early as the 1990s, the seeds of this robotic revolution were being sown. The U.S. military, always at the forefront of technological innovation, began exploring the potential of unmanned systems. These early robots were rudimentary compared to their modern counterparts. Yet they hinted at a future where machines would play an increasingly important role in warfare. Little did anyone know just how rapidly this technology would advance, and how profoundly it would reshape the landscape of conflict in the 21st century. The world was about to enter a new era of warfare, one dominated by drones in the sky, robots on the ground, and unmanned vessels patrolling the seas. This is the story of the rise of the U.S. robotic military. The turn of the millennium brought with it a new set of challenges for the U.S. military. The wars in Iraq and Afghanistan were unlike anything seen before. These were battles fought not on open battlefields, but in crowded streets and rugged mountains. A new threat emerged, one that would accelerate the adoption of military robots, the improvised explosive device, or IED. These deadly devices, hidden in plain sight, became a constant danger for U.S. troops. The military needed a solution, a way to disarm these bombs without risking the lives of soldiers. Enter the robots. Specifically, robots like the PackBot and Talon, designed for explosive ordnance disposal, EOD. These robots, controlled remotely by soldiers, could approach suspected IEDs, inspect them with cameras, and even disarm them with robotic arms. The impact of these EOD robots was immediate and significant. They saved countless lives, both American and civilian. The success of these early robots proved the value of unmanned systems in warfare, paving the way for even more advanced robots to be developed and deployed. The age of military robots had truly begun. While robots were proving their worth on the ground, another revolution was taking place in the skies. Unmanned aerial vehicles, better known as drones, were rapidly evolving from simple surveillance platforms to sophisticated weapon systems. The MQ-1 Predator drone, originally designed for reconnaissance, became a symbol of this shift. Equipped with Hellfire missiles, the Predator could not only observe the enemy, but also engage them with deadly precision. The Predator's successor, the MQ-9 Reaper, took this capability to a new level. Larger, faster, and deadlier, the Reaper could fly at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet, and loiter over battlefields for up to 27 hours, all while carrying a heavier payload of bombs and missiles. But drones weren't just about striking from the sky. The RQ-4 Global Hawk, with its advanced sensors and long endurance, provided invaluable real-time intelligence, giving commanders a clear view of the battlefield. And then there was the Switchblade, a small portable drone that could be carried in a backpack and used by soldiers for kamikaze-style attacks on enemy positions. Drones were no longer a niche technology, they were becoming an integral part of U.S. military operations around the world. Back on the ground, a new generation of robots was being designed not just to disarm bombs but to fight alongside soldiers in the trenches. These robots, with their ability to navigate rough terrain and survive harsh conditions, were poised to become invaluable assets in the modern battlefield. One such robot was the Vision 60, a quadrupedal robot developed by Ghost Robotics. Designed for both urban warfare and operations in challenging environments, the Vision 60 was agile, adaptable, and most importantly, armed. In 2021, the U.S. Army tested the Vision 60 equipped with a sniper rifle, demonstrating its potential as a lethal fighting machine. While not weaponized by the U.S. military, Boston Dynamics Spot robot showcased another aspect of ground robot capabilities. Spot's agility and ability to navigate complex environments made it ideal for reconnaissance and surveillance missions, especially in GPS-denied areas. The MARS, Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System, represented a different breed of ground robot. This tracked robot, equipped with cameras, loudspeakers, and a modular weapon system that could be fitted with both lethal and non-lethal options, provided soldiers with a versatile tool for a range of missions, from reconnaissance to fire support. These ground robots were just the tip of the spear. The U.S. military was also developing larger, more heavily armed robotic combat vehicles, RCVs. These unmanned tanks, designed to operate alongside manned units, promise to revolutionize ground warfare by providing fire support, reconnaissance, and even logistical support without risking the lives of soldiers. Over the past few decades, the U.S. Navy has made remarkable strides in robotic technology. From autonomous submarines to robotic surface vessels, these advancements have significantly enhanced maritime operations. The integration of AI and machine learning allows these systems to perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention. This not only improves efficiency but also ensures the safety of naval personnel. The future of naval warfare is being shaped by these innovations, promising a new era of maritime dominance. Swarm warfare is revolutionizing the battlefield. By deploying large numbers of small, inexpensive drones, the military can overwhelm adversaries and achieve strategic objectives with unprecedented efficiency. These swarms can communicate and coordinate autonomously, adapting to changing conditions in real time. This technology is not just limited to drones. Ground and naval forces are also exploring swarm tactics. As we look to the future, the potential applications of swarm warfare are vast, promising to redefine the landscape of military strategy and operations. The deployment of robotic systems in real-world scenarios has transformed modern warfare. From surveillance drones to autonomous ground vehicles, these technologies have enhanced operational efficiency and safety. Military units now rely on these advanced systems to perform tasks that were once deemed too dangerous for humans. The integration of robotics in the field has undeniably reshaped the landscape of military strategy and execution. Command and control in the age of robotic military systems require a new level of sophistication. It's not just about issuing orders, but ensuring that these autonomous systems operate within the bounds of ethical and legal standards. Accountability is paramount. The military must ensure that every action taken by a robotic system can be traced, reviewed, and justified. This balance between autonomy and oversight is critical to maintain trust and effectiveness in robotic military operations. Looking ahead, the future of robotic military systems is both exciting and challenging. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning promise to further revolutionize the battlefield. However, with these advancements come new ethical dilemmas and technical hurdles. The journey towards a fully autonomous military force is still unfolding, and it demands careful consideration of the implications for both warfare and society. In conclusion, the evolution of robotic military systems marks a significant milestone in the history of warfare. From their initial conception to their current real-world applications, these technologies have continuously pushed the boundaries of what is possible. As we move forward, it is crucial to navigate the complexities of command, control, and accountability. The future holds immense potential, and it is up to us to harness it responsibly, ensuring that the integration of robotics in the military serves to protect and enhance human life.